Hi, my name is Sonia, and I'm a software engineer at Glean. Today, I'm going to show you how I use Glean to fix errors in my code and automate PR review. Today, I'm going to write a sign-up client where users can create an account with a username and password, and we'll validate the password with some character criteria. So at this point, I've written my code, but I'm noticing that when I run it, I get a parsing error with my regular expression. Over here, we can see an error that says error parsing regular expression, invalid or unsupported Perl syntax. Usually when I run into an error message like this, I'll search for the error on the web, which usually consists of opening multiple sources to find one relevant to me. But with Glean, I can paste this directly into world knowledge mode and use web search to find the answer in one query. So let me do that now. I'm just going to paste this. So if I navigate to Glean here and I see that I have a chat bar with a company and world knowledge toggle, I'm going to toggle to world knowledge now, and then we see this web icon right beside world. I'm going to turn that on in this case so that we can search for the web. Here, I'll just type in a query, help me debug this error message in Golang. I'll paste that in and then I'll search. Here, it looks like this is failing because Golang doesn't actually support this Perl syntax in its regular expression package. So it gives us a couple options. First, we can modify the regular expression, or we can choose an alternative package. Here, it suggests using the regular expression 2 package. For our example here, we will just modify the regular expression to be more simple. Now I'm ready to create a pull request. Before sending this to my teammates, I want to get it reviewed to catch any style mistakes I may have made. To do this, let me ask Glean to run a first pass. In the chat bar, I'm going to toggle from world knowledge mode back into company knowledge mode. Let me ask it to review my PR in accordance with the Golang style guide. So it looks like Glean Chat has raised a number of issues that it found in my PR. The first being error messaging should be lowercase and not ending with punctuation. It looks like in my PR, my error messages were in uppercase. Another issue was that constants and variables at the top of the file should have been prefixed with the letter C. Something else I'm seeing is that Glean is telling me that I should use interfaces rather than functions, which is a good point. Something else that's raising is that I should be passing in pointers for structs instead of just the struct itself to avoid the overhead of copying large structs. So these are all really good points, and let me fix this up before sending it to my teammates for another review. With Glean, instead of navigating multiple web pages, both internally and externally, I can get immediate answers all on one page. And that's how I Glean it.